Odds are if you own an AW11 you'll be doing this sooner or later. Disconnect the transmission mounts from the body of the car, not from the transmission. It's essential at this point, before the engine's on the ground, to at least have the car a little bit off the ground, because you're going to need to get a jack underneath right around there, and unless you have a really low pro jack, and even then you need to get at least a 4x4 piece of wood underneath there with it too to follow through on this method. So you need a bit of space, and it's easier to get the car off the ground while the engine's in it than before. So right now I've got the tension on the hoist and I'm gonna slowly drop it down. I really don't think you can go through the bottom with the intake on, actually. Now I know. Wish I didn't, but now I know. In order to get the engine on the ground nice, 100% properly, I ended up taking off the alternator and I undid the exhaust manifold too. That's the way it's recommended to do it, and I should have just done it from the start.